You can expect a lot from the 2017 Nissan Sentra. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, turn signal indicator mirrors, and a split-folding rear seat. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop in and take a test drive.